BBAI stock, is this the right time to buy? This is for 11th of June, Wednesday and onward. So I'm breaking down my exact play and everything. First of all, with BigBear.ai, I actually quite like this. Because, you know, this is not the first time that I'm trying to take the advantage of this bullish market, and that sounds wrong. But I myself have done 41,000 videos. It's taken me 5 years. BBAI, like even itself here. I mean, I documented everything, by the way. It's all on the YouTube channel, like no one else. I also here began buying like crazy. This was like light work, by the way, like 6 months back. So all that to say is, unless there is some sort of like a confirmation point here, I guess I'm not going to be buying. It's very, very simple, right? So I do have a lot of previous receipts in the Discord. 48 results pop up in the analysis section. And if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, and also simultaneously want to stay tuned with BBAI, click the first link in the description to get my free emails and insights. Goodbye.